Hi. Okay, hi, my name is Joshua Cooper and my student number is 183537. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I can't find him, I can't find him. Okay, I can, hi, no I haven't found him. I'm sorry, I will find him, I will find him, yeah, I'll go right now. Oh, okay. Which one am I dancing?
Which one do you want to do first?
I'll do my dances.
Yep.
Dancing. Okay. Do I say the song?
Oh no, you can just sing if you want.
Okay. I see fire inside the mountain. When I see fire burning the trees. When I see fire inside the mountain. When I see fire burning the trees. Okay.
Do you have a bit of another song to do as well?
Song.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I got one. Oh no, ran out my head there. Another song. Okay. I've lost some. Sorry. Do you understand?
But like a funny song, one that would go with like Smee's
Smee.
character.
Okay. Okay, this is right for me now. Are you ready, everybody? Are you ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Come on, everybody. Come on. Don't worry. Everyone will be happy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.